Hey guys, how's it going? Hasib here, and in this video we are going to learn how to use pop-ups in GoHighLevel funnels. We are going to know how pop-ups work, and then we are going to create a pop-up to see how we can increase our conversion rate in our funnels. So this is one of the funnels I created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the landing page in editor mode so we can create a pop-up inside it. So this is the landing page, and if we click here on pop-up, this is going to open the settings. So these are the customization features GoHighLevel is giving us. So here you can see a setting called disable pop-up. If you turn this on, this pop-up won't show at all. This will be disabled across this landing page. And here you can see close pop-up on clicking outside. If you turn this on, the pop-up will be closed if you click anywhere in the surrounding area of the pop-up. So this is the setting. So I'm just gonna keep that closed for now. The width of the pop-up, you can either do full page, medium, or small. For now I'm doing medium. Show pop-up on exit is a great feature. We're gonna discuss that later. And then here comes the background color. You can change the background color. Right now I'm just keeping it white. You can give it margin and padding to give it like the appropriate spacing you need. And that's all. So let's create the pop-up. Add a row. This is just like any other like typical landing page builder convention. So if I add an element here, which will be a form, most of the times pop-up carry a form, right? So if I do the landing page form here, this is the form, and if I hit save, you can add like more elements like text and subheadings and headings and like the offers, don't miss out, stuff like that. And if I go to pop-up settings, and if I hit enable pop-up, and if I show pop-up on exit, let's see what happens. So it's saving, and let's see the preview of it. So now there's no pop-up, right? So the pop-up will just show up when you are trying to exit. So this is called exit intent. When you're trying to exit the page, when you're trying to get out of the page, the pop-up will immediately show up, right? So as soon as I go to like reload or go back, the pop-up shows up. So this is what the exit intent is all about. This is the setting for that. So the reason why I received this pop-up is because I turned this setting on. So this is what this setting is. And also you can turn on pop-ups on button click. So if let's say if I want to have the pop-up open at this button click, so this will be the button action, which we're gonna say open pop-up. That's it. And if I hit save, and then now if we reload this page, if I click on this, I'm gonna see the pop-up because the setting for this button is open pop-up. So that's it. This is a really short video. I just wanted to show you how pop-ups work and how we can create pop-ups in GoHighLevel funnels. Make sure you subscribe if you like these short videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.